I've been in the hot tub business for over 25 years, and I've seen a lot of change in this industry. But there's one thing that stayed constant for me, and that's Caldera. I still remember 2003, that was the year I started selling Caldera Spas. And at the time, I was actually the very first Caldera dealer in the state of Nebraska. And I didn't just like them, I fell in love with them. Because before that, I had owned a different brand, and I didn't realize how big of a deal comfort really was until I got into a Caldera. That was the first hot tub where I could actually stay in my seat. And if you've ever owned a hot tub where you're constantly floating around, you know exactly what I mean. And that moment right there, that's what changed everything for me. Because I realized people don't buy hot tubs for the features. They don't buy them for the specs. They buy them for the experience. And what's been incredible to watch is how Caldera didn't just get it right once. They just kept improving year after year. Better comfort, better performance, better design. It's been an amazing journey to witness. I still laugh when I think about this. I remember selling one of my first spas with lights and a stereo system, and it had a car deck in it. And I thought, there is no way this could ever get better than this. But it did. The evolution from then to now is truly staggering. As the years went on, they kept pushing forward. Water care got better, salt systems came out, everything got simpler, everything got smarter. Everything was designed to make the user experience absolutely seamless. And it really does make a difference in how people enjoy their hot tubs every day. And now we're at a point where your hot tub can actually test your water, monitor your water, and tell you exactly what to do. Think about that for a second. It's like having a water care professional built right in. Hot tub ownership used to feel like this. Test it, adjust it, hope it works, and sometimes it felt overwhelming. But now it's becoming simple, predictable, and honestly enjoyable, the way it was always meant to be. It is truly effortless relaxation. I'm now on my 7th Caldera Niagara, and that says a lot. Because when you're in this business, you see everything. You try everything. And I keep coming back to Caldera. Simply the best there is. But it's not just the product. It's the people. It's the relationships. Over the last 24 years, I've built friendships, partnerships, and honestly, a second family in this industry. So when I say this, I really mean it. Thank you. Happy 50th anniversary, Caldera. After 24 years of working with you and over 2 decades of helping customers, I can say this with complete confidence. Caldera hot tubs are the most comfortable, best performing, and easiest hot tubs you can own today. And honestly, how are you surviving without one? Happy hot tubbing. Catch the next video right over here. Bye.